Hello, welcome again. Today I'll solve this problem. Problem name is J dot multiples. And problem is giving you two number A and B and print multiples if A is multiple of B or vice versa. That means if A is multiple of B or B is multiple of A, then I should print multiples. Otherwise, I should print no multiples. And here is A and B will be more than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 10 to the power 6. Okay, here's some example of input or input and output you can see, and let me show you how you can solve this problem. First take a variable A and B, then take input of them. You can solve it by C++. I'm doing it by C. Hmm, 0. I'm sorry, I should put it in the print function. Yes. Okay, let's check with their input. Okay, for this input, output should be multiples. If output become no multiples, then my one is wrong. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, multiples. Okay, good. And check with this. Let's check with the second one. Yeah, right. Let's check in with the last one. It For this output should be no multiples. Okay, yeah, maybe my code is right. Let's check with their problems. And J multiples. Okay, yeah. Okay, see you again with new problems.